the index of the product or quotient of two numbers. 2 multiplied by 3 whole raised to the power 4. 2 into 3, 4 times we have to write. Bracket of, then you can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Same way 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. In short, 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4. This formula, a multiplied by b whole raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by b raised to the power m. 4 upon 5 whole raised to the power 3 means 4 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 5 3 times. 4 raised to the power 3 upon 5 raised to the power 3. Means this formula, a upon b whole raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power m and b raised to the power m. Means the numbers inside the bracket, each one have the same power or same index. Some examples of it: 5 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 3 is 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2, because 5 raised to power 2 is 3 times. So write down these numbers 3 times. So we can add these indices now. 5 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 5 raised to 2 3 times. So 5 raised to 6. 2 3 times. So 2 multiplied by 3 means 5 raised to 6. Same example is given here. Like that, 2 upon 5 whole raised to the power 2 minus 2 whole raised to the power 3 means 2 upon 5 raised to 2 3 times. So directly we can write 2 upon 5 raised to 2 minus 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 upon 5 whole raised to the minus 6. What is the formula given here? A raised to the m into n. This is the formula. A raised to the m whole raised to the power n is equal to a raised to m multiplied by n is equal to a raised to the power mn. See the examples of it. 15 upon 12 whole raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 4. So 15 upon 12, this is the base and these are the two indices. Multiply it. 3 into 4 is 12. So 15 upon 12 raised to the power 12. One more example. 3 raised to 4 whole raised to the power minus 2. So 3 raised to 4 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to 4 2s are 8 and minus sign will come. Some more examples of it. 1 upon 7 raised to the minus 3 whole raised to the power 4. So 1 upon 7 here raised to the minus 3 into 4. This minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. So 1 upon 7 whole raised to the power minus 12. Like this you can solve the next practice set 29. Now a raised to the m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the m. This is minus m. So 1 upon a raised to the power m. Therefore a raised to the minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a. We have to write the multiplicative inverse of it if the index is negative. And you know how to write the multiplicative inverse. A raised to the minus 1 is the multiplicative inverse of A. This A has a positive index. Thus the multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 3 is 3 upon 5. We have learnt it already. So if it is given in index form 5 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1, you have to write the multiplicative inverse of it 3 upon 5. This negative index will be converted to the positive index. Understood it? So this is the question number 2 from the practice set 29. It is very easy.